Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheena Jones. I decided I would make a video about Forsage X4, you guys, the team build, because I'm seeing so much information going around about people posting stuff that's really not accurate about Forsage. They're saying, oh, you can't earn if you don't refer anybody. And I just want to make this video to show you guys that in Forsage, you can earn money, you guys, without.
So let's talk about Forsage, this smart contract, and exactly how it works. The first thing you need to understand is that there are two parts to the program. There's Forsage X3 and there is Forsage X4. X3 is the people that you personally invite to the community. X4, which is made of two levels, two people on your first level, four people on your second level, is what we call the team build. This is where you will receive help from the community, even if you don't refer anyone else. This is why this is a win-win program, because it works for people who refer and it works for those who do not. So Forsage is a closed system without deadlines, with a limited number of places and an unlimited number of re-entries. All members have referral links, and new referrals join both programs at the same time. The minimum cost to join, ladies and gentlemen, is 0.05 Ethereum. That translates into about $7 one time out of your pocket. You literally never have to go back in your pocket again. But the income potential, ladies and gentlemen, can absolutely change your life, as you're about to see. So let's talk about X3 in more detail and exactly how it works. So of course, when a person joins, they join both parts of the program at one time. Half the money goes here, the other half goes into X4. So the first person that you invite, guess what? All of that money is sent to you. You get it in real time, instantly, and there's no waiting. The second person that you invite, all of that money goes to you. You get it in real time, instantly, and within a matter of seconds. So here's the thing I want you to understand. Just that fast, ladies and gentlemen, you got back all the money that you paid in order to join the platform. So remember, it's 0.05, 0.025 times 0.025, added together is 0.5. So you've got your money back just that fast. That means you absolutely have no risk at this point moving forward. Now, what you're going to want to do here, you're going to want to take that money that you just earned, you're going to want to upgrade to level 2, so you can earn even more money, as you're about to see. Now, the third person who arrives, that's what's known as the re-entry. You get credit for the money, but the money actually goes to your sponsor. And this enables you to repeat this level over and over again, even though you've moved on. So this becomes a separate recurring income stream that can pay you over and over again as you continue to bring more people into the platform. So now you've upgraded to level 2. The same thing happens over there. When the people you referred at level 1, when they upgrade to level 2, guess what? You get paid again. Except this time you're getting paid double. 0.05 goes to you instantly. 0.05 goes to you instantly again when the second person upgrades to level 2. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this money that you just received and you're going to want to upgrade to level 3. So the system has the ability to put money in your wallet, but it doesn't have the ability to take money out. The only thing you do manually in this platform is upgrade to the higher levels out of your proceeds. You never have to go back in your pocket again. But when that third person arrives here, guess what? That's the re-entry. You get credit for the money, but the money actually goes to your sponsor. That enables you to repeat this level over and over again. All of the levels operate the same way. Let's take a look at them. So in this platform, ladies and gentlemen, we have 12 levels and 12 resale licenses. So you may say, well, Mark, what is the product? The product is the smart contract. When you join this platform, you are literally purchasing the rights to resell the smart contract at the various levels. And again, as we mentioned, you acquire these levels by upgrading out of proceeds once you get into the program. So you can see here that each level actually doubles. The amount of money, it costs twice as much to upgrade, but the amount of money that you earn is twice as much as before. And so you can see you have 12 levels in X3 and 12 levels in X4. Your goal is to upgrade through all these levels as fast as you can so you can open up potentially 24 simultaneous income streams paying you over and over again, even though you only started with a small amount of money. And so, have you ever counted your bills every month? We have a ton of bills that we pay every month. Wouldn't it be great to have more incomes than the number of bills that you're paying, and you were able to get started with as little as $7 one time out of pocket? Absolutely. So now, let's talk about X4. Remember, X4 is the team builds. This is where you get help from the community. People help you that started before you. People help you that started after you. And so when a person joins, they join both parts of the program at the same time. Half the money goes into X3, the other half goes here. Now, the first person that you refer here, this is what happens. The first person that joins you here, that money actually goes to your sponsor, as well as the second person, because this is your first level. People that join you on your second level here, that money goes to your sponsor. But the people that join you on the next level, that money is credited to you. So the first two people that join you, guess what? You're going to want to use that money to upgrade to level 2 so you can earn even more money. The next person that joins you, all that money is yours. You can put that in your pocket. You can spend it. And when the sixth person joins you over here, that's the re-entry. You get credit for the money, but the money actually goes to your sponsor. And this gives you the ability to repeat this level over and over again, even though you've moved on to level 2. And the same thing happens on level 2. When people join you over here, the first 2 people that join you here, that money actually goes to your sponsor. The next 2, that money goes to you. You're going to use that to upgrade to level 3. The next one, that goes in your pocket. The last one, you get the credit for that. That's the re-entry. That goes to your sponsor. That gives you the ability to repeat level 2 over and over again. So this is all programmed in the smart contract, ladies and gentlemen. It works perfectly over and over again because of automation. Now, when you see this sign right here, I didn't talk about this on the last screen. That's a caution sign. That's letting you know it's time for you to upgrade. If you don't upgrade, then what happens? The money is going to pass over you. So naturally, you don't want to lose any money because you fell asleep behind the wheel. You want to be awake and you want to upgrade whenever you see that sign. All right, so let's talk about the ways that you can get started. So the minimum way to start is to pay 0.051, which is about $7 right now, one time out of pocket. This will get you started in both programs at level 1. The most popular option is once you join is to immediately upgrade to level 4 in both X3 and X4 from the start. The total entry amount will be 0.76 Ethereum, which is about $110 one time out of your pocket. You never have to go back in your pocket again. And this is a proven working option for most people, which can create better income for you and us. However, we have high achievers, ladies and gentlemen. They've got big goals. They want to earn money fast, ladies and gentlemen. They know how to accelerate the process, and you can do the same simply by upgrading when you first join to level 5, which is 2.75 Ethereum, which is about $400 one time out of pocket. Or you can upgrade to level 6 as soon as you join, which is 5.9 Ethereum, which is about $800 one time out of pocket. And of course, when you join at these levels, you're in both parts of the program at the same time. And when you invite your referrals to do the same, guess what? That causes your income potential to explode many times faster, and the same thing for them. So most people, they're going to join at the level that you joined at. So consider that when you get ready to register. Now, there are no timelines, there's no deadlines, and levels repeat automatically from earnings as you bring in new partners into X3 and you and others bring in partners into X4. One of the
You can earn money on X4. As you guys can see here, this user ID, this person's ID is, it says right here, 4060. As you guys can see there, 4060 is this person's user ID. As you guys can see here, they have made a total of $735. Have they referred anybody? Look right here. No, it says 0, you guys. $0. They have not referred a single person to Forsage, period.